In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize photos in Lightroom Classic. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can get your images under control and find what you need quickly. Most of your organizing happens in the library module. Think of the library as your command center, where you can view, sort, filter, tag, and group your photos without altering the original files. It's designed for speed and clarity, and once you get comfortable here, everything else in your workflow becomes easier. Start by getting familiar with the different views. Grid View, opened with the G key, displays a whole spread of thumbnails at once. This is perfect for scanning a shoot, spotting duplicates, and making quick decisions about what stands out. If you're trying to get a sense of variety or coverage from an event or a trip, Grid View gives you that big picture overview. When you need to examine an image more closely, switch to Loop View with the E key. Loop shows a single photo and helps you check focus, composition, and subtle details that are easy to miss in a thumbnail. This is especially useful for making sure a portrait is tack-sharp or that a landscape's horizon is level before you move on. If you're choosing between similar shots, use Compare or Survey views. These are designed to help you pick the best frame from a burst or a bracketed set by putting images side by side. Seeing them together makes it much easier to judge expressions, sharpness, and small differences in framing so you can confidently keep your strongest work and move past the rest. Before any of that, though, you'll bring photos into Lightroom. In the lower left of the library module, click Import. In the Import window, choose your source. This could be a camera card, a folder on your computer, or an external drive. Lightroom will show you what's available from that source so you can decide what to bring in. On the right side, look for the Organize section. Here you can let Lightroom place files into folders as they come in, for example, by date. This is a great way to keep shoots separated without having to build a complex folder structure yourself. If you already have folders set up, you can simply respect that organization and still benefit from Lightroom's catalog. Once your import choices are set, proceed with the import. You'll land back in the library module, where you can use Grid for review, Loop for detail, and Compare or Survey to make clear choices. With this foundation, your photos will be easier to manage from the start.